And my cousin got a honey, Elvika Francis, and my aunt grandaunt daughter. And me no ask her for no money. Me no take no pay. No pay me no want. And my party me want to win.
Oh. As you said that tick up in. I would mean like Patmore auntie say she not vote for Patmore. Anybody?
You know, which part more around? I'm Mr. Lawrence and my MP, you know.
No man, me not talk you. Me ask the panel if anybody. So if Patmore one family them not vote for him, why other people fi vote for him?
Because they know saying I don't know work, so that's why they not vote for him.
Patmore one relative them not care him.
Oh Jesus.
So how we look down your side? What's the vibe? What's
Why? It's true. Me no frequency. They home more than for Saturdays and Sundays. On Monday morning we back to work.
But road start to fix. The road are fixed. What is that?
We need road. We want road. We want road. We need road from where me live from. Where me live from. Down a square for come a garden. For a road good, that's about from inner road for go Congress. We got Neesbury Lane. Around a Vietnam. They need road.
Okay. Help coming, man. Help coming.
We need the road, and we get land for buy. We can use. If we have switch tile, if we buy tank, we use flush with water. PJ have Westmore White House for how much years? And people still have to use outside toilet. Best of my life since my prime minister in a power. Me have to tell my children them. So me say listen. Me say a 7 or uno. 7 or uno me have. And my husband. And all of we a JLP.
Wow.
Me now work with nobody. We are comrades. Me no want no work for no comrades.
I love that. I love that.
Me grew up say the first time people with the JLP with a White House, I see that I was a child. I see my grandmother and my grandfather for them raise me. When they win, a green bush president stick up in a donkey, a rope in a donkey ears with the entire on the donkey ears, and up and down a patrol. And when me see this a prime minister here do, since him in a parliament, me not see no more do it. Me not see no more do it. And all me see my grandmother work, I never get anything from them. But since my prime minister in a power, if me even sick and me can't move, me rather put me on chair and can go make me ex. Me not stay home. Me go make me ex because me see where me get out of him. And me know what me get. Me know me see what him I do. Right, because my grandchildren, me have 9 grandchildren, and the whole of them I get benefit from him.
Wow.
9 of them and them I get benefit.
We're not.
We don't know why White House people them just love PNP and they work at them as scruff. All of the PNP as scruff they be.
Wow.
Be a scruff. They don't have a house, they don't live nowhere. When night time come and the fisherman them come from sea, they can't take off their fish in peace. Over engine house stop them pack up on cardboard and when they look at thing when they get in a power, you know. I say, you know, I am Gilbert. My house stop blow off. Clean. And in a Ivan, my house stop blow off clean. And things come down. And the people then we used to look after I did PNP. My husband name set down for 15 sheets of zinc and train there see she not give me hit. So me say my husband come from see me we get them and all know me not get 1 sheet of zinc. And buy them back from the PNP then when they give them to and happen to them and me buy back zinc from them. $900 sheet me they pay for one. You hear? Put on back my house stop. So they corrupt and they nasty and they dirty. So when they give you road work, you can't look enough to see one JLP in Ireland, they all broom. Now rate. And some of them get the work signed on for the work and you know gone on work, they sit down at the end and go collect their paycheck when the 2 week up. That me see with my own eye. So you know go on in the food party, so that's why they now go come over because they now get their hands out unless they do work for their money.
Stick up in Demi and Rigger and Churchill. Grandmother son a young boy. And Danet Samuel. A real thing our people just start. Them used to know the nothing and just collect them checks, sir.
Yes,
was
it happened.
hold on there.
It happened.
Let me
You
talk
see,
up
it
that.
happened.
Let me talk up that.
It happened.
Let me talk up that. That is Trent can confirm this when you talk to him. There's a parish council building in Manchester where right through the year you would have seen PNP plans hang up on the parish council building in Manchester, right? Right, very close to the credit union. That's where it is. And every month or every 2 weeks, you would hear
Don't block
person
there.
say, them are go down, they go collect their money.
All right.
And when Labour Party won, when I was out there, we don't see them. We
All
don't know where
right.
them go.
All
And
right.
when they me here, that is strength say, since this year, me a win back, it's like them start get up back down there again.
Because more
You
money
see
at
the,
issue. The
a
free
matter
money
of
they
fact,
are given.
let me go further than that. In my community, when we used to politics, that's close to Moravia. It's on the Moravia area. But I don't know if you know one place they call them Brunches. So we used to live way down. So it's not on northeast Manchester, it's on the northwest Clarendon part. And there was this PNP lady used to get the road work. And every time Mini Clark, you know Mini Clark, the language serving me in our Spaldings. Every time Mini Clark give the money to do the road, she would have do a yard gate and tell us that she don't get no money. He said the only money you get after doing yard gate. Because he knew so one long walkway for going in yard. And him and him picking them do it.
Them is something going on when them in a for them nasty party, man. Put your hands out, and that's why you see them a run it down. So you see them a run it down, that's why I wait to scruff them down, they go off a PNP side, when they're not power, they get free money and they don't work for it. Because from Jackson win, me not see Jackson do one God Almighty thing a white house. Nothing me not see him do. I think water coming in a tank up a garden where we get water from. I think water coming in. If rain no fall, me not drink water.
But you see, the thing is too, they might get money for the this and for the that, and what they don't realize, you see, the little $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 they didn't get for them vote, it a go down in a one day. That's why so much of them, when you look on them, they look at them as suffer and why it's gonna take them.
So true,
right?
so true, so true, so
Because
true.
yeah, in where I live in Southwest Clarendon, my grandfather was a Labour, right? And when he used to give out like the Christmas work and you know, some other things too. A PNP them, you know, they no cut in front of yard, you know.
All right.
They
Yeah.
no cut in front of yard.
True. So then with a White House too. No different.
Right? So these things have been going on even before I was born.
Said we grew up can't see it. And it's still a going on and even worse because you watch anywhere they end up on campaign if I not pay a health care on the war broke. You
know the funny thing, Miss T, most of these people are old people. So they have been running behind them all these years because I have my uncle by my marriage really. He's a comrade. He turned 17 August and him still run behind them. And when you look at the condition in Southwest Clarendon and the road in where him and his every day for that church. It's ridiculous.
I said, what can believe too?
Grandmother, son, let me back something.
Yeah, tell you, man.
Right?
Them people, they're not try to uplift themselves. They keep themselves down. All very hard to look up and them not look up. Because one time gone, look your feeling, get hug head down. You have to put on the pan game. Now you might hold out of your hand.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh, that night.
Good afternoon.
Good evening. I'm asking a question. If you buy a car, right, and you drive it and angle it anyhow, and I'm gonna look on you and say, who buy the car? Is he out of order or is he have a right to ask you that question?
Well, I don't know.
It's a serious question, yeah.
Oh, a wicked question, yes.
I mean,
No, all right. But all right, let me put it more personal. Say you buy a car then, Chen, yeah? And you sweep, you step on it, you brake hard and you swing around the corner and everything. And me see your driver, me ask you, so why you angle the car so? Would I be out of order? Or do I have a right to ask you that question?
I wouldn't
You
say
have
you're
right
being
to
out of
ask me.
order.
You have right to ask
You have
me.
a right to ask
You're
because
saving your life. You're saving your life right there, so.
but at the
Okay, but
same
then
time, the way
at the
how
same
me would
time,
I drive the vehicle, you'd have really wonder for my personal vehicle that because
you angle
you
it
drive it
anyhow.
like that, yeah.
All right. The point where me have to make, yeah, or me I try to make is if PNP go in our communities go buy vote and them angle the people any and anyhow. We have a right to ask the question why them angle the people and say yes, but then buy them vote. Them pay for it. So
That's
them
why they
can
handle
angle
it anyhow
any
because
and
they don't give
anyhow.
free will.
Exactly, them can angle the people any and anyhow. Because the
Yeah.
people
And
them
they will
really sell
suck
them vote.
soft through a wooden spoon for them.
So that me I say still, but
But and at that going, you don't say anytime you PNP ball out, say, me here, so them be a client and I now get this the traction.
Yeah, man. The money
Yeah, them
now
have this
run.
much more vote that buy.
They don't know what they appear by Michael by election in the White House what they win,
So,
honey.
guys, this is how me can't understand. Me can't understand with this we don't know neither, you know. Me not understand this we don't know. Cause I am an undecided voter. Me just can't understand uno. Cause uno make some race of people that run round. Them did in a government in a Jamaica for how much empty time I hear. And they never know how to treat
Oh my, hold on.
Jamaica
And I
so
me,
nice.
hold on there, sorry. Because and I me take you down. And I me take you down in a done it, me somewhere. Me don't know how you come down. Remember me don't want you to make your point. Sorry about that. Go ahead, bro.
Yeah, uno never know how to deal with this thing. Uno never know how to treat this woman properly and nice. All of a sudden. All of a sudden now somebody else come and take care of this woman so nice. All of a sudden now them pass man the way mash up this place. All of a sudden they have so much bright ideas how to take care of the woman.
That may always say too.
No, me not
See,
understand.
they don't know how to take care of her, you know. What is it is that they see her growing, they see her thriving, they just want her for the sake of having her. But they have no
Me
idea
not
how to take care of her.
understand. This is what me not understand. This is what me ask all you to know on this thing right now. You understand? The next time when you see one people, a person come or a set of people come say them a comrade or them a PNP, ask them this simple question.
No, me here says.
We don't have this place umpteen time all along. And nothing in that go on fear. All of a sudden now something start go on fear. Say, I put back stop cracky. And she stop where them push to a flip-flop slippers and now she in a class. Why all of a sudden now
yes, you are treating her like a queen, Mario.
Me not understand all of a sudden you want. Me say Ozzy just part of the woman were so nice. Part of the woman were so nice. Back then, nobody couldn't get nothing because I appear pints. You have to just go and you have to hope say you meet pints. I know everybody now can kind of benefit from housing trust. Once them earn minimum wage and pay.
All right.
And get $7.5 million. But all of a sudden now, uno decide so uno can give people $7 million house. Why you couldn't give nobody their house all along?
Why a while? They don't have none to give them.
Uno
Like
ask them them question because it keep on mess up my meds.
if we may have something to give them, we have to tumble down for the people that
I want a massage all of them thing. I want man come here and want massage all of that. Grease all of us. All of us don't know. No.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. That's why you are here. And that's why you're there. That's why we take a time out and depend live because some people will believe it so them are gonna get 7 million. Because we don't want a lot of people go so we have to come on and tell them say whether we like it or not. Jamaica, the rural, 7 million was gone past a long time. Now come back.
True. The Prime Minister is working.
Go build up one little something.
Proud of him.
That's the
Proud
thing,
of this.
politics. You see, a lot of them, they don't realize why we have to be growing or we have to try and boost the economy the way the Prime Minister wants it, because it will open up rural areas. That's why I say in St.
And
Thomas,
that's
St.
love.
going to be
Oh,
transformed.
All the ghetto them will
Right?
open up and look better too.
Because
Ghetto them will look good.
and you see the thing is too, you see, once jobs are available in St. Thomas and can even surrounding St. Mary, it will stop people from having to go to Kingston, because that's another thing. When everybody has to pack up a Kingston or Moby, and it push up it push up the housing prices, because nobody don't want to live on the outskirts. Everybody want to live like an hour or half an hour from their job, and it cannot happen. Any country and let me tell you something. We talk about, we think we have a housing crisis. Let me tell you something, man. You see, sometimes when we watch certain documentaries on YouTube, I wish I could just take them and show it, like just show it on TV or show it on social media. If you say, listen to me, this is how people live in some parts of the world. You see how...
Remember what you're going to say, darling. Remember what you're saying. I literally live in Canada. And I can tell you this, Canada is a first world country in everybody else. And I can tell you this. People live in our house, and hear me out carefully,
Yes.
People live in, listen to me. People live in a room at Canada, one room, bathroom, kitchen, whatever. And this one person will live there, there's another one room, they literally rent that same one room where them living at. Somebody else can live in there, but how them do it? Me go say me work at night because something this is what me experience firsthand. Say me work at night, that person work at day. So we rotate it. You understand? Who sleep or who this, when they work, I saw it work, it run. Enough space. That's why you see the immigration. Remember, Canada, them say Canada underpopulated. And then the warm arms are taking everybody. There's a housing crisis in Canada now, and Canada is a first world country. Look on Jamaica. Yes, we say Jamaica is not no longer a third world country. Right? Jamaica is a developing state. So you're not going to expect the housing crisis. I don't understand. All of a sudden, everybody run now. PNP have all the bright ideas. Yes, them you soon hear them say them make $4 million house for people too.
They don't have nothing. They don't have nothing.
Oh, Mr. Murray.
The only thing junkie have is in your rum cup in their hand.
Hold on, Murray. You just come on and chat over a lady. The lady above you was here before you,
Talk sweet darling. Talk what you say on the board.
Go on now, Mr. Samuels. Your time for talk.
Continue.
Strike team, we've lost comms with the scientific research unit at a mobile data station.
Continue your services until Mr. Samuel.
Yeah. I saw something with Hong Kong and how people live. You call them coffin houses, right? You see how my guy was saying how people rotate and live in. Listen to me, man. It is, you guys can even look it up. It is even, I want coffin. The size I want coffin is a little, boy, me not even know how it's like a mattress box. I just like one little TV. It is just like a little, boy, when I saw it the other night, I was just like, oh my God, I cannot believe that people live in this. You can't stand up in it. You can't stand. It's like a little cupboard. To me, a little cupboard, something what look like one coffin. In little TV in night, in little clothes or whatever, and then it's like they have one part now where everybody have to do in the same toilet, use the same urinal, and this is the reality of a whole heap of persons living in Hong Kong, right?
Their life worse off for we.
Exactly. Places in the Philippines, in Manila, right? Persons have to sleep on one grave because of how these people are. Right?
So I have to go mute back my microphone till the blower gone here.
Yes, darling.
Why? Jamaicans,
No lie.
you know,
All my
Jamaicans
life.
don't understand how blessed they are right now because we keep pretending as if we don't see what is happening in the world. How many persons would I even know say even the war in our Ukraine would affect Jamaica? Ukraine is one of the countries that produce the most grain in the world. One of the top producers of that, right? See where we even had to go to, we had to, I think, go to Morocco for fertilizer and some other things too. So if we have to divert or change up logistics, some of the cost is going to affect us too.
Of course.
Right? We don't produce a lot of things in this country, right? We don't have a lot of natural resources like other countries. So we have to import just like how other countries would have to import also.
Them want,
and look at what is happening.
Inflation for the Prime Minister.
Right?
You can't do that to it.
And you see the thing is too,
it
would have been worse, right? And then with the whole with how climate change is impacting small countries or developing countries like Jamaica, right? It is going to be. I mean, we have literally, you know, we have recovered really well from COVID, you know, considering how other countries, some of them not even recover fully, right? Look at what was happening in Sri Lanka.
Say this way, honey bunny. Just a pointer. Say it this way. Jamaica economy out in the world, Jamaica economy are the fastest bounce back.
Exactly.
In history. Not just we are talking about the world. Jamaica economy bounce back bigger than America. Canada, all of them faster than them, not big, faster than those first world countries. Jamaica economy bounce back faster than Canada, America, England. Jamaica economy bounce back faster than them pre-COVID, and that's
and Mario, America hold more money to the World Bank
exactly
than Jamaica. That's what they need to know. And
right, no other half with debt payments going around.
That's why them take a night.
So why is it, right, with all of these, why is it that all people can't see these things?
No.
Can somebody tell me that?
No.
Why?
They see it, but they're playing a blind eyes.
No, you can't do that too. You can't, that, not just that plan. The PNP has mastering. The master of use the poor. Check out how most go on
politics
the street.
for them to hypnotize them.
Yes, go on the street and listen. One regular man, and you hear him tell you nothing go on, and him tell us when PNP did he.
Yeah, but politics. But politics. I mean, respectfully, you know, the conversation has changed now. Because let me tell you. You see, because you see me listening, you know, listen. I'm a pay attention. Couple months ago, with the IC issue, every time the Prime Minister put a post, you would hear whole heap of people come and cuss and this and that underneath his post. Mark Goldie never say, yeah, you're the next Prime Minister, this and that and blah blah blah. Check recent time, no. Check no. Every time Mark Goldie put a post and the Prime Minister put a post, you see the difference. Come and check. Now listen. And it looked to me like the Prime Minister make some mileage. No,
but make up, you never hear when me start off. You never hear when me start off.
Yeah, me hear you when you shout me out. Me hear you, man. It looked to me like the Prime Minister cut through.
That's what I
Yeah, man, he cut through again.
Look like Danet ready for talk, guys.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Danet. Come here.
Politics, talk to Danet now.
Danet. Oh, Danet, you're gonna look up play labor and Danet. A big labor right there.
Who I hear my voice? My name?
But Danet, why you that come in the box if I'm not fit to have? I don't understand you, Danet.
But me no know who, so me gonna say time comes so they take me down. I'm not right.
And me take you down.
You know say me love you. I know say me love the trouble do. Me say me hear me after now. Me also time come and see who know me.
And me take you down.
Look, see me gone.
Yeah. Next time you come, you will say how what time. The time not come.
But guys, when you Dark Knight, when you see even the guy will come on too bad, and Rickster, when he come and say if the government in fee, say Prime Minister will call the election, don't bash him too much. No, maybe as we are talk, say, I see him a pick up on the ground and I vibe with him and see. And
Yeah, but
a long time
politics.
I ask this.
Yeah, but politics, it would be rather unwise for him to
Where
call.
the logical thinking would come
we don't
in,
talk,
you know?
we don't talk him calling it, we talk him a say it. Because
Him a feel the vibe. Oh, okay, okay,
feel the vibe. And
Yes,
that's what we
yes.
have say a long time.
All right.
And we want this to continue.
Here's my thing, yeah? To tell you the truth, look, whether we like it or not, you know, I know that I hate me for this, but we need PNP, you know. We need the People's National Party.
Yeah,
we need
I agree.
them
Not
to
need
hold
PNP. No,
us.
we don't need PNP.
That
I
one
wish
I
they
know.
were just destroy and be
We need an
disseminated.
opposition, but not
Let
that
me
one.
finish.
No.
Let me finish. Let
We
me
need
finish.
an opposition, but not this one.
Unfortunately, it's them we have. So, you know, and them we have to work with.
Need a
The best thing,
sensible opposition,
the
which
Yes.
best
is
thing,
have.
the best thing
We
me
don't
propose
need
them
them. We just
Let me
want
tell you,
them around.
No, for any sensible democracy, need opposition and a governing party. You know? Let me tell you.
Unfortunately, we don't need them.
Let
Well,
me
not
tell you.
unfortunately. Fortunately, we don't need them because they
No,
don't
no,
make
you
no
said it.
sense.
All right, let me move to the next step. The solution we're meeting that when me would have suggest them doing. You see that young sister named Gabrielle? We suggest them make she the leader of the party.
She get her ass beat, yes, man. I can't wait for Crystal Lee to beat her.
No, but I think she have much sense neither.
Here, why no? She not on a baggage. Everybody else, whether they know, them just not plus.
Look here, look here,
No
look here.
clue where she have the baggage.
Look here.
Maybe she have
Listen to me.
suitcases
Listen to me.
and
to rebuild.
Listen to me. Oi, Dark Knight. She is no different from the old dinosaurs in the party. She's no different.
I think she's young. She's young.
Yes, but let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
She's young. She's young, man.
Politics, it look like a big body in, like, you know, I must see that.
No, man, come on. No, man, she's too big. No, but what do I say? She's young.
I did bat your love. I did bat. I did bat.
No, she's young. She's young. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You don't have big body. That's your love.
Mario, well on there, guys. Well on there. That night.
Yes, sir.
That night.
You know,
Yes,
so
sir.
right now, me feel like to mute you.
That night. Wait them plan.
It's an opinion, bro. It's an opinion, brother.
But hold on. That night.
Yes, sir.
Night. It's not in the public's domain for say we should come under scrutiny, but me can 100% bet you. There's a lot of dirt upon her where you see
Mario, let me tell you something.
You don't know.
No.
Listen.
There is no way. Don't you ever think say. Don't you ever think say her appointment to the Senate was just like that. You hear?
Of course.
And then you have Botox Barbie Burchell, right?
Oh no! Don't call
Right?
that woman's name over here. Oh no!
Right?
No.
And then even with Mars, I saw her do something that I didn't catch her upon CVM News. I got talk on stage how Crystalina do nothing and how them a go run her out.
Yeah, but you know, understand, you know. Shen, listen to me, yeah. You see, all of who know what I talk, me I tell you, if uno didn't have the party, who would not do the same thing too? And that me I tell you.
Because it's a
So you
cult.
Dark night, you know, so back on mute you.
A reason why reason. Just cool them, man.
No,
Listen to what I'm saying to you. Stop it, man. No, but what I say, yeah? Listen to politics. No, man. Listen to that, say no, man. Who are my party? Yeah? This is what I'm misunderstanding what they're saying. Listen up, you see my party, the Jamaican Labour Party.
Aye,
We want to do
aye.
good. And we want to do better than what we are doing. And in order for us to do better, we need to have, some spring in our step. You understand me? I said to you, because we cannot govern and govern and govern and govern. Because we are saying we own a tune. We are saying we own a tune and think we are right. Politics use a man of the Bible. And the Bible says you think it's peace and safety. And a sudden destruction.
Yes, I agree.
Politics. More ask him one question. One question more ask him. That night. Today's the day off, sir?
No, sir.
You have a drink from where you drink from morning?
Just a cup of tea, my brother. I not really drink like that,
So,
no, but listen,
hold on. Blanca talk to you. You sleep last night?
Listen to why I'm a pick. Listen to why I'm a pick, Gabriel. No, listen. Ask me why I'm a pick, Gabriel. Now, ask me why I'm a pick.
Why you pick her?
Let me tell you why.
Why?
Because she's the only one. She's the next generation we can see. The next generation of PNP.
With a big body.
Get rid of the baggage. Yeah? Me not see nobody else over
That
there.
night.
No young people.
That night.
Here you know.
I want you to walk out of your house. Walk down the road. Go in a shop. Order 2 drinks of Ray J and your nephew. Sip it and come back and talk to you.
Me not drink no money.
I want to ask you one question. Dark Night, me have to ask you one question. Do you want to slap it or tap it? Which one?
Next minute. What is phone solution? Yeah, to tell you the truth, Shen. I don't. Shen, to tell you the truth, you know, some of the like her like that. I don't like her like that,
Hold on.
But I hear some things what she come out with in the public when me disagree with, fundamentally disagree with. Brethren, let me talk, my brethren.
All right.
That's why I misunderstand. Misunderstand me saying. Me not get emotional, man. Just cool enough. Listen, let me say, me don't like her. I don't hold no particular candle for her, right? What I'm saying is, she's the only one of that age, that generation, we can move them forward. What we are gonna do? Moving forward. We have, looking at our party, we have a whole heap of people we can pass the mantle on to. Then not one person to pass it on to.
But that's enough for our business.
It's not our business, but every democracy needs an opposition. That's all we are next. Me not business with
healthy opposition.
Exactly.
But Dark Night, listen.
No, I say enough people ain't gonna like you. When you say
the thing is with her.
I don't like her, Shen, so no point defending her to me.
All right. Me done. Me I'll leave you the big batty girl, but I'm just gonna say one thing. The thing with her, you see, and what you notice with these younger ones, I call my name Ajay Dixon or whatever. I'll go run against Nesta.
And them have one next one here.
Yes, that could. Me think say my fish. They are so indoctrinated. Right? Remember, say I'm not an aquarium party, but let me say, they are so indoctrinated. You see, that there's no moving the party forward. They're going to come and they're going to repeat the same thing like their predecessors. Because because if she can't start from now at her age to move away from the certain type of politics that her party displays are when she will start. I was,
This is what I'm saying. She cannot, because she's in the party. She's a spokesperson.
Exactly. So don't think that she can move it forward or this and that, because the young ones are indoctrinated.
Look on Lisa Anna. Lisa Anna tried to step aside. She tried to step away to come across different. And look what happened to her.
Let me tell you. Lisa Hannah is a snake.
She's an opportunist. She's an opportunist.
She's a snake on concrete. A vexing with especially with divorce.
She's an opportunist. She's an opportunist. I know that. Me know that. She's an opportunist. What we
because
gonna do about having an opposition then? What we are gonna do?
Dark night.
Yes, plan.
I rub more about the PNP till we not no more PNP party.
You know, many things are the least are the
fine,
only
good
one.
plans. Yes,
And
that's a
that
good
me I tell
idea.
you.
That is simple.
So
No,
me no know what me no
plan. I
want
would love that. I would
a
love that, but I'm
one
not.
party me
But
want in
I'm
a
not.
Jamaica.
Plan. No, plan. We can't. No, but we can't run so. We can't run so.
What
Yeah.
you mean? One
No,
government.
because that become a
One government.
dictatorship. No, man, me not agree with that,
You
brother.
know gonna be
No,
You
no,
know
no,
what?
because with
after hold on. And now we do it and the people of Jamaica vote for what they want. So we want to vote out every PNP,
exactly.
not even one seat them now have. So what you say? And we make dictatorship our people they ask what they
No,
want.
but remember, Eddie
Man,
Siago when he did all
go
of the
drink.
seat that
Listen to
you
me.
know.
D
Plan,
me a
listen,
tell
no,
if you go
man.
drink.
Plan,
Well, I know. D me a tell if you go
plan,
drink rum.
plan, come
You'll
out,
have
man.
a
Me
Let's
nice
want you
we're
to
time,
take
having a grown up,
right? And
2
that's
we're
what
shots of
having a
everybody
grown up
espresso.
should do.
conversation, man. We're having a serious conversation about the state of politics in Jamaica. It's this bigger than PNP and
Oh,
JLP, you know. And that me a look for
and
no
for some
virgin.
reason I agree with Dark Knight, you know. We need our opposition. It's
It's
just
bigger
that,
than
to be
PNP and
honest,
JLP.
Me no need none.
I don't think Mark Golan can represent the people, so him being an opposition is totally waste.
Can't do that.
But
I
I
know
understand with
you.
Dark Knight.
I'm going to go drink rum. I'm going to
Mark
go
Golding
rub up.
cannot represent our people because I said it the other day. How is he supposed to even relate to the ordinary citizens?
But that
When
night,
it-
I do agree with you. We do, me not listen to Plank and them. We need an
Man,
opposition.
we need an
We
opposition,
have
but
to have an
not
opposition.
Not that type
That's
of opposition. We need opposition, but not that type
No,
of
man, somebody will make sense. Somebody will make
Yes.
sense.
Yes.
Exactly. I agree. That's what I've been saying all this time. We need an opposition.
No, on a that you did
know
need
the
Dark
thing is-
Night.
Oh God. Yeah, there's a big bum girl over next door.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. That you did need. That you need.
That's you right here.
Yeah.
no,
That night.
but look here. Yes, sir.
That night. Hold on that night.
Right.
You know, so when they have to come give me one big hug.
Yeah. I'm not.
The man with
Politics.
and we're having a talk.
That's good, man.
You want
That's
to
good, Baba.
jump on me.
Yeah.
I said,
Right, give it up.
So you squeeze back politics?
No, I didn't squeeze back. No,
You didn't squeeze it.
You not squeeze
no,
back?
no.
You didn't squeeze it and slap it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, Mario. Mario, be yourself. No, man, but no, man.
We're
PNP
having
need
a
to
good
sort
little
themselves.
talk. We're having a good
PNP
little
need to sort
talk.
themselves out.
By the way, what you guys feel about Mikhail Phillips' seat? I'm hoping he loses it. I'm so sick and tired of hearing his big mouth in Parliament.
Now you hear me, guys?
I really hope he loses it.
Yeah.
Hi, yeah, we're hearing you.
Mark Golding always been saying, right? He's the architect of so many things, right? And Andrew Owen's been closing chapter 1, moving on to chapter 2, right? And the chapter 1, he's been outlining who was, the main player by setting Jamaica to where it is now, right? And he's called some name, whereas he called Peter Phillips.
Mark Golding,
I think he called Peter Phillips. I think he called.
I wonder if my PMI that did I go call.
He might not mention his name, none at all.
If you lucky, yeah.
And you know that people actually say that, people say that, and they said that was very statement like for him to say right now.
Yeah.
So that was a good move. As liberals always say, Prime Minister played test match
Man, that's
checkers.
one knockout
Yeah.
call.
Yeah.
Because that's so, yeah, pick up port, yeah. Peter Phillips. Right on the side, the first ball. People I love come on the live and have them things. But I have to remove when I come with now. But Dark Knight, we understand it, man. Somehow we're a joke where make somehow we're not serious with certain things. But I believe you just like that young lady. There. Maybe not intimate person, but you just man both side enough people where you just see somebody where you
don't like her intimately. No.
yeah, that means so you kind of person where you just like
She
them.
said she called the prime minister a dictator. I never like that. So from that, I don't like her.
Okay. See, you take up there, start to pick up for them train. Start pick up for them already.
Because they indoctrinate them from they're young.
Yes.
Yes, from
They
primary
indoctrinate them
school.
from they're young. Right?
From primary school.
Because like I said before.
new labor rights.
What make you believe Lisa Hannah come out? Because when she where them are going, which you do not like it.
Where
And if
right
she
now?
say anything
Remind
to
me
them, we
name.
don't like them.
Lisa Anna is a opportunist.
But remember, I feel like one of the reasons why she went over to
PNP.
PNP, I think it's probably because of what her marriage and divorcing.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Because remember, she was one of the founding. She was, I think, one of the founding members of even G2K too. I think there was a photo with her, Eddie, and some other persons too. So even come on, she's such a hypocrite too, because even sometimes when she's talking, Michael Manley, she is our world favorite prime minister and she believed in him. So okay, so if you believed in him, then why did you end up being on the liberal side?
Exactly.
Right? And then to me too, I don't even think that some of the times that she's the one writing some of these articles. I might be a little bit skeptic, but I remember she tried after Nigel Clark one night on Twitter, and Nigel went in on Lisa, and it was an embarrassment. We were like, Lisa, go to bed and leave Uncle Nigel alone. And somebody who don't know these basic things about economy and financing, when me see some of them are something where she right, I say, hold on there. I can't, this same person, Nigel, literally dust out on the internet the other day. How is it? So I'm a bit skeptic where some of these things are concerned. And she said that she's gonna be an MP for almost 18 years now, or 12 years, somewhere around there. But look at our constituency.
If you know what, go there.
Look at holding that.
But she and
like when all wall turn over.
Right, and exactly, and persons don't realize that she's writing all these things as if she has all the answers. But look at the state of your constituency. Look, when she a campaign or walk for her constituency, she have to have on tights for sure in front and in behind and all in crevice and increase and something there. Why?
She
Why
have
do you have to do that?
The same thing you want
She never had none.
Yeah, Dark Knight attack you. Go on, Dark Knight.
No. Me just like say the same thing you don't want to do.
Who said that one?
Or your big batty friend.
No. Come on, man. Nah, man. The Berkel woman.
Oh, Botox Barbie.
Me not like she. Me don't like her at all. And me not do fake.
Oh, you do your realness.
Okay.
I want to know me. I want to know me.
A real man.
Well, you said Dark Knight, Gabriel won't jiggle, but Virtual won't stiff.
Hear ya.
Anytime I see her again, Dark Knight, I go mention. I go say I can't get her number.
No, Virgin, me alright. I'm spoken for. Low me. Sure.
No, you just go give her some advice and.
No, she have people who should pay for your advice. You know what my free advice?
So I grab her and squeeze it and slap it.
Here, Mario, look who get back to politics, Lord, please, and can. Come on.
That's a politics. Remember, say a politician we are talking about.
Yeah, Jesus.
But to be honest with you, I haven't seen him make a presentation.
Me glad on me a talk like that, you know. Me glad I know me a talk like that.
But you can't wait for your chance, don't plan.
No, but that night, as mentioned, we never see him make a speech, a presentation. When we could have said, you know, that young lady there bright. As me say, me I wonder if I want links put her in the Senate. Cause me not see, you know, like you could have look or even send them the
Of course.
matter.
Of
No,
course.
but I thought the
She's
impression
a
I
brilliant young lady, but me not see she do nothing for me say, whoa, that
no, but
girl, yeah.
the impression I was given was that she was coming from corporate. She come from corporate Jamaica, so she have something for her.
I think that's through UE and then PNP or something she come up to, you know, just like most of them. That's their avenue really. But I think that's the same route because remember
But
says
to me, no disrespect to her. To me, she not stand out when I could have said, yeah.
Exactly, and that's why I want Crystal to give her a bus ass.
So who stand out for you then? Who you say next then?
You mean over PNP?
Potentially. Yeah, potentially.
I
Can
don't
lead them.
see no sensible PNP, no sensible any person who take up themselves, any young person who take up themselves and say them want join PNP, they don't have no sense. And I mean themselves no good.
Well, to be honest, them start a
They
leadership.
jack the country as much already, so they can't build it back.
Them start
Exactly.
and they start a leadership.
But
That's why no mind
politics.
so.
You saw Clive Lynn both how him come out of retirement to come help PNP take away all the seat.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, you see, they keep resuscitating these old dinosaurs. No, when I saw that old ass this morning, I'm just like, this a man I should have prepared his soul for me, Team Maker. He might probably all dead on the campaign trail too, right? Because I think of this, not COVID.
Lock up himself too.
Right? I mean, the next thing PNP I go try do some necromancy if you try to raise my man there or something. They might try to resuscitate everybody. Huh? Because look at all Wicca McNeil. How the hell you go back for all Wicca McNeil? Ian Hill no what usually represent Lucy never do a thing at Hanover really. And then him gone over Westmoreland and fear get more than with some pure trouble. Huh? So these people aren't serious about change.
I'm glad him do it, Shen. I guess so. Him make
no, but then politics them say him drop out.
He in a game.
Yeah, and he man put out more information on social media now.
Yes.
Right.
I can't tell you if I want seat that the seat and now go back to them. That seat will not go back to PNP. No time soon. Me not know about the rest, but me I tell you that one because the base another one there. Strong.
And even Dave Brown seat because Dave Brown has been doing a lot of work, you know. Right? Him just not out there like how other input. He does groundwork. And I said it to someone last night. I said, listen to me. Posting on social media is one thing because a lot of persons who see these works, they can't vote in these constituencies. We belong to other constituencies.
But that seat, you know, almost near so reach a CFC. Every election, Dave Brown increase in margin. Well, it too in last election, he get a big margin. And them be that beat him for some road. And him get some of them fixed and some about to start.
Yeah, because I saw where some roads being fixed in his area. Some fixed, some are work on right now. And you know, I heard other persons saying who live in his constituency that, you know, him do work. He works. Right? So don't be deterred sometime if you might not see them putting out on social. I think especially with Wilson, why him start put out more is the fact say Ian has been on social media like some big skittle gal and create talks and this and that fair try to work on emotions of people. right? So it's just like to just put up proof, say, hey, this is what's being done. Even the other day, we see where this guy, Colin Bell, because he did put up one long time video on Twitter the other day when Burial did destroy part of the, part of the roadway in St. Thomas that was being repaired and put up one old video. Michelle Charles had to come out and put up the recent video with it being repaired or it was finished, something like that. So, for me, this election, we just want labor rights just go out and vote. I don't want them to leave anything to chance.
Yes.
You know what happened? A lot
Prime
of
Minister
people,
to win again.
yes, because a lot of people did not take the local government election serious. And what most persons need to realize that, exactly, and what most persons need to realize that some of these councillors, they have more authority to get more work done in the areas, in the constituencies too. Right?
You know, Jamaica go back where it come from. None at all. Me not forget when me, a little child, me have to use Akipad for the my skin and dirty boy soap.
Ew.
Buy one pound of flour with one pack of pad. Me no know that. Me no want to go back there, so.
I just want him to get this third term, and I don't want labor rights to think say Andrew can lose or this and that. Just
third term, a 10 term, I want him to get 10.
And the thing is, to Misty, I don't want labor rights to say them a vote because them a vote for Andrew. We must also remember say a vote for Andrew bonus is a vote.
And we grand pitney them, and we pitney them. We grand pitney and we pitney and we country. Then we have
and also we cannot let the hard work what Dr. Nigel Clark put in be ruined by the PNP. So we're not just voting for Andrew. We have to make sure it's in the third term. We can't dash away hard work what Nigel Clark do. We can't do it.
No. We know what happened to Mr. Siaga come happen to Andrew. We don't want that.
Exactly.
We don't want that.
The funny thing is, I think especially with this hurricane, a lot of comrades, they were banking on this whole downturn, this state of gloom and doom and whatever. And you see how quick, thank God, we could start assisting persons.
Grandmother and grandfather and our uncle over Great Beer. And when me used to stay and take care of our grandfather and our grandmother, bury the blow down flat the ground. And the people them we walk and take picture and view you and something, me see it funny. So me call her, me say to her, say, your grandfather and grandmother house blow down. How you see it? Me say to her, so you mean how me see it? She said to me, say, tell her about the Labour Right Party, then I'm good long if I did PNP. Me say, shut up. Me say, how much from 2008 me over there work. Till 2019 me left. Take care of your family them. And when Mr. Green get Great Beer for hold on pan, St. Elizabeth for hold on pan, Great Beer pan in the road come out. So if you can't accuse nobody. But no, because then our business with them, I say Danny Buchanan have it for how much years. And then you go take it and you go take your money when you get on the walk, a Sunday bank and drink, and deal up yourself and pee up yourself and do nothing for your community down there.
I heard about that.
That's all he do. The time I work over there, take care of our grandfather and our grandmother, and then I look at your uncle. Our uncle died 2019 and I come home. Right? I three of them I look at my family and the best pay me get all my life, I do me a caregiver. And no. I'm gonna get little and nothing. Best of my life, I know. I work how much years? One got $5,000 a week. From Sunday till the other week. Saturday me I got me $10,000. Take care of two people in a one yard. Wicked them. And and I'm foreign them, they send money come pay me. They're wicked.
Miss T, someone made a suggestion on Twitter that it would be good if, people like you, whose life has improved over this government, that they made some videos or presented even at the conference on Sunday to show that, hey, everyday Jamaicans are benefiting from this.
Sorry, we can't show me a convention.
I look at even with this housing social program. And when you look at some of these people and where they were living, the conditions that we're living into, you know, me really have to be happy for them, because, you know, things that, and you see things, you know, they're not just getting a house and getting a legacy. So whatever children that they might have or grandchildren, it can pass down to them too, right?
All right.
It can pass down to them, because a
Me
house,
like your house with my Prime Minister bill. Because
right?
PNP house them. PNP house them a 2 room, and if you can't turn in a them, they don't get a outside toilet to get an outside kitchen. They don't make kitchen per house, give you in our bathroom. So look something they take, make them if Sam come and blow them over. For them house and no house.
Exactly.
My Prime Minister bill house in bill.
Right? And we have to, sometimes us as labor rights, so sometimes we need to look at certain things in a long term, because what we might not benefit in this generation, the other generation will come and benefit from it.
My grandchildren and my children and greater grand and grand right up.
Exactly. And people, if more persons, if more people would think like you, then we wouldn't even be in this position right now. We'd have a clear win. Clear
So
win.
come me get my children them to go vote now, because them say them now vote because they not say nothing now going in my community. Me say me agree, because White House a die with your hearted PNP in a White House. But me say listen to me, if you not sit down and watch them, they will forever win this seat. So if you not go make for no X, Mr. Lawrence won't win. So no have to go vote. And me say if you not vote, no now no live my house can come back in here so.
You see, this is the problem. This is the problem that even in my constituency, Southwest Clarendon, is like, because PNP has had this area for more than over 30 years. From before me born, PNP have this area. The first time I saw roads being fixed near where I live was when Bruce Golding came into power. And JLP was in to start fixing the roads, right? When them went back again, they signed them money take up and the road them not fixed. The roads right now in Southwest Clarendon are so bad. They're deplorable. Right? But see, in a local government election, the same hungry belly, white scar looking people them who me see the last time when we go vote, and them same one they don't a 4-pass community center again. Right?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I remember shortly after that, you see, when me and my relative were coming back home, and some of the guys them stop with both them and fix road, they want money for buy little stuff and fix the patrol them. When they couldn't take me, when they bun me, I said to one of them, I say, you fi tell the MP to fix the road. And you know what I say? He say that the man there who we not fixing the road, he not fixing the road. So you see, they know. They know.
They don't have no sense.
They don't have no sense.
So why them a vote? Why them a vote for it?
All right, but they not get no benefit from them, but they'll keep them. You know, me thank you, Prime Minister, for he say I hold them. If they go do their work, he might go expel them, and that me want. If you me want, anytime he give them money if you do their work and no work not done, he put them aside and put money in their place. That me want.
But he can only do that to the Labour Party, you know.
Me know that. And me attack. Me not busy with PNP party. My party me attack.
Them PNP then
they
work.
Must work. They feel work. And then they do represent their community and we. They must work. That them is there for. They feel work. You know, they're not going to feel pretty looks after they're up in a big vehicle. We don't appreciate that. They feel work.
Then when you see Brownberg constituency or the state of it, when you see the state of your constituency, she's the worst MP in Jamaica bar none.
Sometimes me wonder why PNP are run back Michael, because I'm a fix Seaside Road. My husband is fishing a Seaside Road, a Seaside when he's 18-year-old and he's 64 this year. And that just what day a vehicle can carry him go to my Seaside, Mr. Lawrence fix it. Every vehicle drive free if you go down the way when him go and see when he see something them. You have to walk with them from Upper Square, go down a Seaside. And PNP still run back at Michael, and Michael not going to find he go there, and he get money, you know, from a burial. He get money, I'm going to see nothing in a White House neither. Percy PJ have a White House even what you fix up in front of the gate. Let me tell you something. You see White House people and the whole of them, all of the PNP, them want to put in a one barrel and light them with something just and roll them in the sea.
My God.
They're wicked. They're wicked. They're wicked. And also did Bob Pinnock, the councillor. All him, when anything come away, because when them in a power, you know, man, he just put everything up in yard and call all like PNP them and give them. All who know how to see I get wire and get rope. Who have pat now get, who liberate now, see nothing out of that. I pay PNP and them when I know pat see, they sell back a wire to who are fishing. Wicked people, them, they're wicked. That's why I don't love them.
They're going to fall, my sister. They're going to fall. They must fall.
Anyone of my picnic on PNP, they can't come to my account drink out of one of my cup. They go about their business. They can't come to eat out of my pot.
But you see the big development what Andrew One is doing. Them you see that? If it's about PNP, they're crazy.
What they tell about them how they work, please?
Sometimes too. But me and one brown girl when me see you here.
Maybe a Kim.
Maybe a guy in plank. Boy, yeah.
Oh, one next, not Kim. Kim, I want to hide two people. One next, other brown one, and I have no people.
I'm taking it, man, no sense more so neither.
Sorry about that, Miss T. My internet went on a while ago.
Yes, darling.
I see somebody saying in the comments. I'm not sure who is representing the JLP for the upcoming general election, but for the local government, it was this Indian man, Omar Henry.
Because of Elviga Francis.
I'm using the thing up what way up this.
It was Elviga Francis against Michael Jackson. And now me yesterday I'm going to use Dayton Campbell against Danny Lawrence.
So you want to go to school?
I know them are going with him. I know them are carry him go.
What happened to him?
Then I use no security.
Where that the one coming from?
I see him.
Well, I'm not tell you about from meeting I am from.
One little short one. Me and talk. A woman is like a wish.
You must want to demonstrate. No security.
I don't want African day boy, I did there.
So who this bet coming at the box and check out them business, so?
The mother for the
Hello, Ben. We are here in a virgin.
Yes.
You need to see Frank son out of Hatfield son, man.
Yeah.
Let's see, mother.
They need
Mrs. Frank.
What are them need to know one place? The boy, if he's studying when they are security, they must be.
Can you hear what going on for you? Can you hear what really take place?
Which Africa?
Jesus have mercy.
You see when you in a people, you in your house and you have shut your business and your business reach a road?
Yes, said we.
So African live out here.
African? African live out here?
No, me I say when you see them I go so.
What politics are? Politics don't sleep?
Politics don't sleep.
No, that's it.
Anyway, so big and serious now. So Shen, when you throw your hat in the ring?
Yeah, look back when you say, oh, have to go them are head down.
Mr. Alton, when you throw your hat in the ring?
Every I mean, she just come past me after every Sunday, just pass me down a yard, you know.
Okay.
From yard, you know.
Steve, when you throw your hat in the ring?
That not say income, but
I throw my hat in the ring.
Yeah.
Why when election day come?
You know,
And Jeff wife live back up in a road there.
Sorry, so we can't go conference, you know. I see church when we join.
I'm picking
They not believe in that old stuff.
Exactly, I know
But
that's
never that made a go.
If you ain't top there, so no, but you know easy.
Oh, go on, yeah.
Yes, but the same pass here, yeah, so obvious I didn't go. So you can, no, he could not so bright. That one on top.
This is what happens when you know people when understand social media, you know. This is what happens.
They're on the phone live, you know, they don't know.
Them come up
believe it.
and them a chat and them just a chats and them don't know what they don't realize.
No.
I know him, it's not him. I love him.
Ben, we here in your business.
Saying the weekend this and the
Should I hear you neither?
Full around the bigger
And
one.
the conversation so sweet.
Yes. Them. And
them a talk about Jeff White.
Long time before me, said
and the African.
Misty,
yeah, darling.
Misty, you can go a conference there, just can make us see you.
Shen, you are go? Shen, you are read?
No, unfortunately not, but I'll be watching on TV.
Me, I watch it. Me, I go to church and come back out and turn on the TV and watch everything.
Yeah, that you run from. Yeah.
Love me party, brother. I mean, love me party.
Mario, Mario, a moderator.
When you come to White House, I'm feel sick and I couldn't get sick of you go hug him up.
Up on White House.
Yeah, man.
None of them no belong.
And I'm a take one picture with him.
Can the same baby father that Clarendon?
Can the same baby father that Clarendon?
Hello.
What the heck? Mary, come and tell somebody and say, what's the heck? That's people them join something and then ask nothing, you know, them chat their own business.
I could listen.
Yes.
I could hear what really take place.
You have to hold funny to go.
Yeah, funny.
Anyway, Shen, you go over Blue Sky yet?
The boy.
You want that?
Shen! How Shen gone?
Right. I have call you back later.
All right, Mr. Alton, take care of yourself.
Yeah, I'm a lad brother funeral now.
Okay, bye.
All right, take care. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
But take yourself off in a virgin.
All right, me do that.
Nobody know they can't take it out.
All right.
When they go, that's them end up. I look for him. Don't I are they there with them?
Yeah, they chat there.
Mother must be
Real patois.
that brother. Not the one.
You know, me not understand them people, Misty. Me not understand. Them come and them just them a listen to the conversation, yes, sir. And them a have them conversation in the background.
That me I say.
And then them come up and then they check the phone.
And politics can't sleep.
And me not see no moderator over here. What the moderator left there?
Politics can't sleep, sir. He say I sleep.
One
Oh
day.
boy.
I can't find back.
Ben. Finally, Misty Slam gone there. Like everybody gone to Rasta.
Dark
You know
Knight.
where you gone?
No. I was listening to Bev's business.
Oh, you should have told me keep quiet. But yeah, she come back. She come back.
Anyway, it was lovely chatting with you guys. I'm gonna jump off now, but
Can ask you if you're going from Blue Sky yet.
yes, I'm over there. I've been over there.
Oh, okay. Me over there too. Now look for you.
Yeah, send me. It's Shen in the Sky.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay, that sounds good. I like it, you know. I like it. I prefer it than X.
Yeah, because honestly, I was getting so tired of the whole US election and the bots and the ads and everything. So anytime I just want to chill out, I just go over there. I just can't bother with too much. And then
yeah, me too.
And with the way how Elon him do the whole algorithm, it's like you're seeing so much make America great again, people. It was getting too much, man.
Yeah, I know. You shouldn't even be allowed to do that, you know. But he did it. So anyway, if you buy something in a year, you know, you buy it. So
but he is an opportunist, you know, because he was never a Republican, you know. He was a Democrat.
Okay.
Right? But you know, when you promise somebody a sweet deal and never go through, and then because one of his picnic is some transgender, so that him vex go. So that is why he switched to the Republican Party.
We never know that.
Okay.
But we know say making money from a apartheid South Africa.
People must you got choose still. So
Yeah.
hopefully the temperature between the combatants has subsided.
I think someone.
They don't have none.
No,
They don't have none. No matter put them.
Better get away, you know.
Take your bag off and
No, me think we reach a little.
when you come and put your bag inside here, not on the bed.
We think the temperature will go down a bit. In terms of cadet, I'm telling you, when you're young, sometimes you have to listen. I don't think cadet is listening to anything, but I also think that the first time somebody get him broadside him 2 times, he will still cry and I say, boy, that shouldn't have happened. Well, that's what I'm trying to get you to avoid. And so it's hard to even say, bro. Raymond thought I was saying something else. I am just frustrated with the point that I actually point out this to you months in advance. And you still are going to tell me, say, me don't go on certain platform since the threat. I was trying for you to avoid certain platform so it doesn't get to that. And that's what he doesn't understand. Let's avoid certain activities so it doesn't come to this. Not now that it comes to this, how I'm going to proceed. Let's avoid getting there. That's all I wanted to get. So me leave it out that still.
I'm a general. I understand that, Thomas. You can carry us over the well, but you can't force him to drink. Simple as that. Alright, that's that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's I code right, sir. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, you know. Yeah, we've come to the end of another live. You know, we we discuss everything over here. So then come back in politics. But we're not doing politics tomorrow. We'll get back to everything that we're doing. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what we are dealing with right now. There's a lot of topics where that is concerned that has come out. So we go back into what we were doing. again.
Mr. Reedy, before you go, Mr. Reedy, is it tomorrow we're going to the ladies to come up and talk freely?
Tomorrow Friday.
Yeah.
So Wednesday,
Friday ladies free talking.
All right, so so we'll break the ice tomorrow, because you know how we started, break the ice, and then we will invite anybody who wants to come up and talk about what they've gone through also. Yeah, you know what I mean? It's going to be get heavy people, so you know what I mean? Make sure come prepared, because like people have gone through a lot, and you know what I mean, anybody who wants to come up tomorrow and express the abuse or assault or gripe that they have been through with, you know what I mean, in Jamaica, in our society, because we're not talking about America and England and Canada yet, because it is bigger here than, we have to fix home first. We also have to try to fix home first before we venture into other people's business. So let's try to fix home. Let's try to get, you know what I mean, what it is going on with home first, and then we can venture out. You know what I mean? We have a lot of persons also who is in the diaspora, and that's one of the things that when I start the program that I'm going to do, I'm starting from the diaspora, because we want to make sure that people who come out and talk and even, you know what I mean, be straight, call out their abuser and all these things, are people that are safe. We don't want to venture into Jamaica too much unless we know that the person that is going to speak is in an environment that they are safe, and you know what I mean, nobody can get to them, because we are still concerned about your safety and your well-being. We're not going to be, you know what I mean, just because we want a story, we're going to go and talk to, you know what I mean.
I'm literally trying to figure out if this person realizes that they're in the box. Like, what is this am I listening to?
They're playing another.
What could be the repercussion?
They're playing what?
Person that have done this to her, you know what I mean, is living in the same area or have access to her.
Well, I guess we're going to jump off it.
One of the things I'm going to, most of these people,
Canada,
America, England, as I say, most of these people, I will go to them. I have a couple of people that say that they will come to me in Canada here from different places, and we're going to get it done, and then that's that. But tomorrow, we're going to open the platform again. The topic will change outside. We'll open the platform again. We get back to what we're doing. We're not going to lose focus. Don't feel like really lose focus. There's too much people messaging me, and I want to say to everybody, everyone who has to take them the time to message me, inbox me and say, "Ready."
Nobody can take it on.
For people that you and the men on the platform who are standing up.
Come on.
You can close the app or press the request button and disconnect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Change, let me go bed you.
Mm-hmm.
What? Where you go?
I don't really have one that song. Some people just come up and realize that they might come out. People just come up and realize that they might come out. People just come up and realize that they might come out. People just come up and realize that they might come out.
No, they put me in a box. Fuck, me think someone going on a box.
Your request, miss. You came up. Your request. Your request, miss. You came up. Your request. Your.
To your wife and ate from the tree.
King, I really too like to do that, is it too?
Of you, through painful toil, you will eat food from it all the days of your life. For Adam, the curse wasn't just physical, it affected the very ground he was made from. The earth, once a source of abundant life, would now bring
I really too like she did a listen to King. My gosh, yeah, me here, sir. Here. Now what shadow over here, so.
Hi,
Sparkle,
darling.
you too? Hello. Oh, I'm thinking I realize.
No, I
Okay.
was over there, and I screen record a bit of it when Cadet come up talking about he buy 300 blocks and cement ready if anybody doing anything to build his grave.
You see, after Friday. If
And
I'm ready to be in great. You see, after Friday, I don't want to hear this guy name.
Yeah, so that's what it seems as if the lady
Hello,
was
Petal.
listening to it as well. So Hugh Richards was telling Cadet said there's no way Muzzy can win Mama D.
Yeah, sure.
Oh my God. Hi,
No,
Petal.
should come up on a. Hello, Petal. Look like Petal come up.
She's on mute.
Make you think say accident me come up by. Make you think say I not come up
No,
by.
because sorry, Mr. Petal. No, but the amount of people will just have come up. I don't know. I'm really ready for leave this place. You know. Amount of people business we here.
No, me not go through some traffic. That's why I'm driving. You can't have your phone in your hand. Sparkle,
So,
alright.
Hi, Petal. I'm good, thank you.
You never find out which father sent me or the
so why?
I'm gonna text it to you and his Jamaican number as well.
Okay, no problem. Sounds good. Am I right?
I don't know, a place names. I will text it to you.
Wait, tell me what name.
Is it Seaton? Something like that?
That's
Seaton. Huh?
Someone named Seaton? Which part of that? Yeah, okay, Seaton, maybe near Highgate. It's alright, come in. We will get it. All me have to do is find a location team.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Okay.
You know Belfield?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Who you know from Belfield?
And then my people them come from, sir.
What your name?
I think you all know them still. Cavaliers?
Cavaliers, which part of Belfield?
I'm not even sure.
Their last name a Cavalier?
Yeah.
Which school then go Belfield school?
I'm not sure because a long history of Belfield that man, sir. So yeah. All of them moved out of town, but some did left up there still because them have land up there.
But you don't know if a Belfield, if a Belfield work, line 10.
I saw Belfield big?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Okay.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Cavalier? Oh, weird. That's a one name. But then it can be that then come from like, I'll say, neuroconstructor, sellers, them things that are things. Okay.
Okay.
No, the boys one.
Wait. You talk to me, Beto?
So you know of the boys home?
The boys home, no, I'm not sure, you know. I don't really know what they like that, you know. But I know say Belfield, St. Mary them come from, sir. But I never know Belfield it's so big.
You in touch with any of them?
Just a little bit. But if me have questions, I can ask you.
Okay.
But yeah, man, I hope that my grandparents can come from.
Find out how far away, because probably people want to know.
Okay, all right. Carla, Mama Jai.
Wagwan, big up, you know. Mama Jai. Sparkles, better.
Hi, Carla. What? Hi, Mama Joy.
Hi, good evening. May I look something for cook for politics and sports?
Where you cry go?
Yeah, man, don't
You can meet them down at the meet, no?
Carla, you're too fast. You know if me and him busy.
Alright. That cook already come one got a meeting.
Who's meeting Desmond?
Yeah, today.
Okay.
What time, caller?
It's a start about 5 o'clock. 6.
That's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock my time.
Carla, where you cook?
Some kidney and rice, brother.
Okay.
Sound good. But eat some now.
Nice with boy. So nice. You're gonna get the banana.
Some dumpling and yam and banana, girl.
We like it with banana.
Like it with yam and banana and dumpling, my nice. I eat my baby love. So I cook before she come home, because when me ready, my gone.
Okay.
You there town, but I left town. Come home, come on, got a meeting.
I say you don't want bother to cook up. You need a dumpling and clean my food. I say you got to cook right. Yeah, you lazy out the thing, Carla.
Eh?
Yeah, lazy out the thing.
No, sir.
I wish about the meeting again, Carla.
One a west.
At the school?
Yeah, man, I just said I go there. None of them not keep on the road. Then tomorrow, I'm there at St. Thomas. Not gonna have
big day tomorrow.
What you got to Carla?
Yeah?
What you got to Carla?
Me I go, I know movie, remember me go on them campaign, you know.
Yes, Carla, you just go on that bus.
Yeah, no, I take the taxi out of town there, so in front of Pernet Arcade, and they drop me right where me I go.
Remember when you say when you come from, when you come from Carla, you go on the garden bus and the people and the people ice cream and say, and you
Yeah, but me I come from Mobile, man. Long at the square. And yeah, the man. I take out the bucket, no lamb, I see Buckingham ice cream. As I see Buckingham ice cream, I throw in at the bottom. Woof, woof, woof. So the man come out and see so the fridge empty, hear him. And you want to see pay for everything in your shop. Don't worry. You say, you both much up. I eat ice cream till I can. And a Tivoli bus me a company to, you know, I could never tell people. Never ever do that. Somebody asked if, somebody text in the comment to ask you something better.
Yeah, Dante, you know anybody down there?
What do you talk about conference, sir?
Where you say they call the school?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You go in, you're there fine. Where you at about it, you come in?
If I tell you what go on with me today, you laugh.
He's in Jamaica. I want to come in.
Yeah, I didn't book a flight this morning. I went and know.
Boy, I would have feel much happier now if that was the case. But it's not the case. Oh boy.
You know what she be there like
Them say the conference is keeping a stadium, not in arena, quite like a Ramstock.
Yeah, but like,
man.
What's my bag?
I will use Kukudu and mat them. Kukudu we're gonna use and mat them.
You know here Mackenzie said then reserve the national stadium.
I want to hear what go on the after party. No, but if listen, you see, if that go on and it go keep a national stadium, hey, Mark Bolin go mad. He might go get mad.
Oh, that's mad, no. That's mad.
That from mad and go back. Mad people come from England in real life, you know.
No, Carla, me no mad.
And I mean,
Carla, me no mad. Why they always sing England people mad? Huh?
Canada and England people mad.
And that's why Mario being so. Mario and G.
I better hold on for a second, Canada people, man. Hold on for a second.
And so we mad petal.
Excellent. You want your talk, man.
That's I must see one there, you know.
Why?
Canada excellent there.
Yeah, man.
I don't know about mad people come from Canada, England.
Anybody mother American and you miss the Americans?
No, the Americans them not mad, so them have to really take the coke. Them have to really take the coke and mad. But something wrong with Canada and England, like them born with a 6 in them head.
What you said that, Carla?
Well, I know some Canadian where they are them mad. Them wear some mad clothes, them boot ever big. Them no mad. I'm gonna beg them here. Them I cannot give you my money.
What the one they were born the excellent, and you know in there.
And the one England know them hear them now. I don't want to go in them come card. Come.
You're taking the mic now. Huh?
Eh?
You're taking the mic.
The one that live at the place where they get on 6 months a day and 6 months a night.
Can't go from my card. No, can't look like it a go down. Can't go on it again. Move.
It's not that, you know, Carla.
No, I'm
yes,
say
Carla,
you
say
mad.
anybody in England and Canada mad.
I say any old Friday, Saturday come and I can't get that. Be a black and delete me and give them. But I don't want to call my back. Where?
What you want? What you want?
Eh?
Carla, what do you want?
My birthday I come, brother, and somebody promised me from England. And one come promise me from Canada. And anyone when I get it black and delete. Blue.
That's why I said that, man.
That's a mad for promise or for true, yes? Mad for true.
Maybe they're waiting until month end, innit? When they get
month
the
end I
salary.
went conference on Sunday when I'm birthday. Money can't send to Sunday.
But maybe they don't have any money.
Well, you say them promise me never ask them and them tell them I'm going to send it.
Them really mad for promise you call for true.
You will get a belated.
Them don't know what to go for them.
Maybe it can be a belated after conference.
True that.
No wonder if I come from more big, when I go in a conference, more look big. Barely catch up on my foot. Barely car. Cause tomorrow is no promise to no one. Barely car.
This is true.
You know, you're my friend them say more barely is a one. Remember last year we jumped before we reach conference.
Then we not hear what the Prime Minister said.
I'm not support that, Carla.
No, you can't tell me that night. Can me stand up at the front. Me stand up at the front, jump like bat and listen to my Prime Minister. I when my drop down when him come in. When him come in, I drop down. He has to stand up straight.
Speech fear you're going to drunk. No, brother.
But I'm not cuss and go on. But they on top of my bag. I say, one Andrew only. If you're drunk and you want to feel good, and you have the Prime Minister come in, you jump on the top of the seat. And that's how they put one Andrew only. And when they buy that talk, him see you more.
Hey, Carla, no easy, you know.
No lie. Why man just come at the gate and say, tell the Prime Minister to put it at stadium. So you come in crowd to him, so one way per crowd.
Every year they reserve stadium, but me hear say Korean, they must have been in the forecast.
All I want to do is the same, so me turn like you know, girl.
Yeah.
You know, ramp with it.
Let me tell you something now. I got Portland, I'm gonna say no importy down there. Listen now. But they are Portland. I'm gonna say no importy. Just imagine when the crowd that come from Portland.
Hey, when Portland come around the junction, they meet up with Gillette Cuthbert, they meet up with St. Near people, and then they meet up with Gillette Cuthbert people. I'm mad.
James Robert, people that me like say,
Peter, the last time we are coming, we usually part down our children. And the police have to turn we back. We reach a Nannyville, the end of Nannyville, we South people reach.
What call your son here? You can't walk.
I saw, believe it, your mother have a long walk in a Frita Stadium, brother.
Carla, if you get her strength to drink.
I regularly used to walk from Crossroads downtown.
Yeah, that's different, but remember, say we live a South. South Camp go past, we are walk from way down a South Camp or Police Theater there. That is Police Theater, way down near the sea. I walk go straight up past Camp, go past children, go up in much long walking that girl.
I could walk though.
True. Children that's far up though, yeah, true.
Right now we are going to Tivoli. If we're not in a bus, the whole of we are going to walk to Tivoli.
That's how you put them.
I'm sure the support, make sure yo. Big up this.
Last year we did it early before everything start. We did it. And when we look MP in the reach, what council just come from Friday in the night. You know them little way there, but we always supportive for them.
Hey, Carla, you see what go on? Them save the best till last.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean, hey, clear with Kingston, you know? You see it. Tonight, my pack out them can't hold.
Don't they nice, man? Where's the Prime Minister come? Water boss. When they come, what if MP I go come?
Carla, you go live?
You could have asked that. I put my phone up on the charger up to now.
Okay, man, look out for your live, you know.
Yeah, but I want it mix sound. I make my daughter fix it up before I leave. It mix sound. Them teeth my bell. I want my order it on Amazon. Them tell me say I'm not get it for conference.
And you overcharge your phone and spoil and you overcharge your phone and spoil the battery.
No, man, it's not overcharge and spoil. No battery. Don't put a buying up that from you.
No, but me I tell you,
Carla serious from Canada. Carla serious in our politics, you know. Carla, not take check.
But I'm not joking, man. The phone too.
I'm not joking, man, but I'm buying up that. No. I put it on saving battery.
Okay.
Excellent. Anyhow, that the phone then I work tonight in China. We have to go buy her back one, you know.
Anyway, that Canada and then I make somebody go find him on the doorstep.
I'm not going to tell you, Virgin. You should have go say that, you know. Hey.
Don't kill me, Carla. Don't kill me.
No, sir. Everybody, so what is everybody ask me? You come out to Valley later, you come? I say, why do you know me? You don't know all Portland you want go.
You're brave, Carla.
But you say, I'm my colors. Hey, I'm walking at Tel Aviv with my colors. You them know? I don't want to Tel Aviv. I say, if you're not labor right, then if you're not true labor right, don't walk behind me. Yeah? I look down always and look at me and shake him when me pass. Without my belly shake up straight on the road. Like my little girl there. See she, man.
Problem,
child. I got a problem, child.
Yeah, that's if I say, look, girl, you have problem, no, man.
Hear them when them see my fingernail. Say fingernail, Afri green. I saying I was see it. I told me couldn't get a show. I pay a plastic here and a green. When I buy the green here, pay a plastic here. Them can't do what I want do. But you see, when they see me, I come out Sunday, tear off my clothes. Them
fully green.
You could have asked that girl. I'll ask that the man call me for come try and do something. Room a party without $1. When them ready, the people in the will chat me, you know. Sparkle.
This is going to be conference.
When them out the road, them chat me, hear them now watch her. And I do nothing for her, you know. But as the bill ring so she run, watch her. And I care.
You come trying to call her. Me say when you can see like you know you call her. Then I do not for we still a jump with them.
Yeah, and them see me hear them now. Watch her. The bell ring, watch her. She ready before everybody. She first ready. Watch her. I say, hey, another money make me go up my humble Prime Minister. Prime Minister. I'm a council love me.
Me not forget nothing. Me go on my road and fix me.
Once the country have built up, it will benefit you. So
all right. And I'm a youth that grow up for can get to work. I subject them. I'll subject them now for PF for when she ready. Me she tell her auntie yesterday say she do some end of year test. I hear her auntie as you get it, just shoot to me. Shoot it to me.
If the country happy, me happy.
Yeah,
me too. Me too. I say the same thing too. You know much years me sit down before me have baby and see labor rights can't win. And as me have my last baby, me I turn green. When winning when labor rights used to win sparkles, everybody on the platform. I was at Belmont Road. We alone now the MP. So like sparkles. Excellent. Everybody was standing up on all wall at Belmont Road. Everybody at MP are going.
Feel sad,
you know? What? We're sad. And when we are walk, I come back down and we start talk, we chat one and we just stand up and a chat with MP, you know. I have to win one day here, man. No wait, but we're gonna win 4 years. Instead of like 4 years, we not win. What's that what is? Oh, we are in at Central Kingston, man. I know we can't turn green. You see, when Andrew one is coming, I will say, we don't want you back in. We don't want back in our thing. Change up MP. Anyway, we say, oh, hope you come do good, you know. Because if you not do good, we are going to run in for more community. Because we don't want to come take government money and run with it, you know. Even though we not leave, no man. We can work with you, no man. So in time we see down after election, we see Imani don't call and go up. Everybody shut up, quiet, in the scheme, quiet.
You know what?
Quiet. So me look at my TV and go to the road, just sit down and turn my back.
I say liberate them stay for you know, so we stay.
We have look at my TV sparkles and sit down and put my hand on my jaw and say, when the sister Imani, I go up left way. I know we can't see we are go up. You see, by the time he say can't go up, my ear side up and green, come on.
For them done, man. For them name can't carry no weight again, man.
Till I've been reach.
Them are going to retirement.
Nobody will not see out at Tel Aviv, not even dog. We have to ring the bell and I say, one day, come on, we're green, south green, what tear down what Irene flag. See that morning, nobody will not see him, we say a thief for thief the election. I say, how much thief? Running towards thief and said, over down here. But tell you,
most of the election where PNP take more they used to TV.
But they tell her to take more coke, you know. Because she not going to Central Kingston, you know. and she never believe me. All the Dan me say so too. I tell the Dan, I say, sir, I can't say something to you, I never talk to you yet. But I can't say something to you. Your riches there done with. Two things
So
so she got put you back by your foot.
When you say, Carla?
Eh?
When you say we're not telling so?
We ain't never get the joke. Here, my little girl, I mean, I talk to him, I say, what you mean? I must stop with Carl. I never talk to you yet. I push up him and the Duncan to Center Kingston. When guess who's coming to dinner? Natty Dread, right? You know, little girl, I never talk to you there, you know. Because you never talk to me yet, you know. Go on ahead.
You get it done, bring it.
You see that the man when we win, the man that come out, him get locked and him get locked. The man that will look out the door. I see him song me sing when me apart. Guess who's coming for dinner? Nothing.
You know, it's a color problem.
Hey, them can't take me when constant. I will never any meet that you tell have in me walk. You know my green. The people them say you're brave. I say why still I going over politics? Always ask if war still I going.
Hey guys, give me a minute there. Carla. Hello?
Yeah, Mama Jai talk now?
Me on the road. When me get in, me come back on the live.
Alright, Mama Jai, yeah, come home.
Come home. Yeah, I'm gonna be there.
Oh, you there home?
Mama Jai.
Yeah.
Oh, never know you come home. So better come home. Couple people come.
Look here.
Oh,
Hello.
I'm a the tent to the name plank. Eh?
Mama Jai, what is here?
Me live vacation in the States, but me live here.
Right.
Oh. Plank say maga there Jamaica, kay maga Anita tent with him up mark plank and him Ganzi mark plank.
All right, Carla, later.
Yeah, kay my MP and councillor.
Still a plank. No Christmas plank say man go Jamaica.
Na Christmas him a come and say when him a go vote.
And when they?
I got me a say. It was over the next live.
Maybe
no, I'm gonna see him. I'm gonna see him over the truck.
So when they?
He must have called on Petal.
What? Who call me?
Plank supposed to call down and say them a friend where you gone. A Jamaica left him. We will not see him, so we are saying good all a friend say to you gone to Jamaica.
My friend over me?
I mean just say so. I love my party.
Sleep already.
Love my party so much. Mommy, lock up the rice pot.
When you come on school, you get the money? You come up on school?
Ask the security, I'm not gonna get. Come down. Come cook something. See, that when I look at you, see what I make.
Carla, you did go and match.
You could have asked that. I'm a sister them now when some come out of stadium. I say my Prime Minister, I say Babs the Great, Banjo. Politics can mute now.
Politics always get called.
But them say Babs the Great sick. She not look sick. It look like a rest. She didn't want to rest. She look good.
Babs, you alright, man.
Where did I send out?
But when I say Jamaica now, we come out of the stadium and go to the river sit down. It would make them really nice.
You know, say sparkling.
Yes.
I want to hear my final say. My final say so and so.
What?
I love you. They say what? Say that again.
What you on about? Frank, where have you been?
Wanna look for me?
Where have you?
Oh,
We missed you.
we
Where
wanna
have you
eat
been?
in petal.
Eh?
Where have you been? We missed you.
I'm here, darling. I'm watching all of you all.
Oh,
Okay.
Martin, talk for yourself. Don't say we.
No, me and Carla, we were asking where is Frank.
I was saying my friend, me say, yeah, pet over petal for ask you should have Jamaica with shadow now.
Exactly that. Man say we. No, don't say we. Say, I miss you.
Mas Kevin, good morning. I see you keeping my ladies.
No,
man, just come up in the box.
Me just come on.
Oh, you just come on.
You don't
I
feel say you want Miss
see.
Plank.
Sparkles.
Yeah. My request Plank.
No, man, I miss him. We just say, oh, I'm not there for no life. Open me somebody where sleep alive every night.
Me a woman, me a lady, me a woman like this morning a big me up. Woman I say, boy, me love Plank. All when him a sleep in the pan life. Look the man, and what time him get for sleep? That time me a kill sleep. Me a kill sleep from morning. Me a kill sleep from last night. All when Carla said, Carla, you think me no hear when you map me boy, hear my jaw snore. Me hear you.
That one night, one night in a Plank. I
take anyone you want to say.
Yeah.
You was in the fridge.
I sit down there watch movie. But me turn on my phone low. And so when me look, nobody not dep on the live, but it comment 100 people dep on the live and listen to somebody and everybody are comment. Hear politics and I laugh. How many days say them not say me mic mute? Kill them dead and me asleep and I see somebody in there. What?
At the night when you pastor Moody did the funny.
No, all I want to do is say me. And me say, oh, if you say me, you not my mute.
A pastor Moody did that. All right.
Couple nights ago, somebody when you snore like hell for what I like them boy.
Oh, somebody when you alternate.
I want to think me I tell you, you know. I want to think me I tell you. Anytime when I see me fall asleep in life, me dip on the live, I put on my phone, you know. Me guarantee you, you know, me I go cut chainsaw, you know. Me I go see more.
One time we are on a Wi-Fi private or something we did have run a ad. So before if it done we alter I go like hug. Okay, you never depend on Marcia. Marcia.
No, when was that?
Yes, sure. One
Me
night in the
depending on-
last one.
Oh, was it? No, week before last, I think. Yeah.
Marcia.
Yes.
Marcia, you see last night after you jump off of Sweet Tips, some argument chat.
Hold on, I just talk about that.
Me hear uno. Me hear uno. But me say them the argument too big for me.
Me like somebody that says something I sure. I was sure.
Wow, don't know sure.
Politics, you're not going downtown, so make plan to talk about downtown.
When I talk about I will leave a downtown argument talk and one bag.
I'll when name?
Sweet tips, I say my 50 and this and that and
Oh,
him
you
never.
can't see me yet, sir.
Oi, I want thing me I tell her say him a some whole time man. The woman them don't want a whole time man.
Will you tell them say 95 and 5? Which group you mean now?
All right.
In past all time.
Politics. May I ask him a question?
No, don't. It's too early for you to be so vulgar.
No,
Here.
no, me not go do that. Me I talk to politics.
You know,
me ask him a question. You see politics? Me ask him a question. Me say 95 of them people there and 5% of them people there. Which side are they on?
95% are
really original. Start up back.
Why you should be so funny at the
Petal. Petal talk to politics.
Where's the Petal?
So out of 100, right?
Yeah.
95% of man, you have to pick a side. 95% they're in a Joe Bryan class. They want Joe Bryan the same thing. 5% are
go downtown.
Which side you pick?
Well, me know me not go. I am positive 1 million. Me not go deny.
You're not go Joe Bryan side, right?
I am positive 1 million.
So 5% side you go
Petal, you man a Christian, why you asking that?
No, he might ask what was the thing, what was the discussion about. Me not ask him.
Me want 5%, brother.
I want to get a me love our caller all. What you see caller? Me rate caller 100 times. One night I'm alive, you know. And I saw me see caller see a run strength. Me say, yeah man. I want to take caller if you use and lick him.
So him over there at dinner, you say you have people within the 1%. Me say no 1% not there.
Yeah, 95 and 5.
Is it a 95 or the 5%?
Well, let me hear what original. I want cause cadet. Tell me.
No, upon also if I tell them brawling something are going over there, look like smaddy. Me don't never threaten cadet. Cadet as usual coming like spray, so cadet gonna get himself out, get himself caught up and mixed up. Listen, we not under me. All right, me hear from somebody yesterday. What could so down here? Mama didn't want a discussion. Don't end up back and forth with nobody but down there. She focusing on her election. No distraction. So nobody no me get instructions so we don't have to engage. Cadet or nobody but down there.
No, but we don't want cadet. Cadet jump shift, you know, so we don't want cadet back on the life.
Right, or no, them no want no conversation about
no, one thing I can say both down the door, down the look, like them ready, down the look, a Jubilee, but more look like him a fret. Him every day you see him I take time I feel by dopey them. So
there's a principle sweet I must go and brush it in dead then teeth and doing look after dead then.
no, them love, and that's how we do it. So that's how people attack. She's a good MP, and so they love him, but their message to come off a stage and see a young man around her just hug her up. And
me not tell a lie still, you know. From me, I watch politics. I hug this MP, me see from me know.
You mean wanna be MP?
No, you see, guy, whether we
You
like
see, look like I did them.
The pot more.
Whether
You
we
look like I
like
did.
or not, you see, one day that I feel you take time start look like.
Yeah, he's ugly, man.
King, you like Kimmy? You like Kimmy just texting I comment now, man. Kimmy come from up on my schoolness constituency.
Even a young lady from.
I want my MP now. I want.
Even
Somebody,
a young lady from West.
Kimmy, somebody in the comment interested in you ask who is Kimmy. So me I tell her I say you come from
heard Kimmy before.
They've never heard me. What is this now? Hi everyone. I'm Kimono. I'm a dieted laborite and my MP is Gillette Allness, the baddest round town. Understand the assignment.
So Kimmy, you done work already?
No, but I'm on break until I listen. I do my own shift. I work my own time. I don't have to work. I don't have to report to a job that
So why
I.
if you want to work, how me go buy?
Oh, you what?
If I want I work.
You have to go apply to the people that work online. What do you mean?
So Kimmy, how come you have a Nigerian accent?
What is this now, madam? I'm black.
No, we don't want the Nigerian accent now.
How come you have? How come you? No, don't say that. Don't say that.
What?
I am
The Nigerian accent is very vulgar.
No, don't say that.
Who
Yes,
said that?
it's a fact.
No.
What is this? What is that one? What is
No.
that one?
Leave it alone. I sorry I started it.
You know, say Kimmy spend
No,
her
but we
entire
got talking about it earlier, no man.
Most time I watch the Nigerian movie, they have the accent
Yeah.
and don't.
I
But
want
that's
to
what
sound
I
like
said.
them. It's not cool.
No, come on. No, there is nothing wrong. I thought she was a Nigerian until I listen. I can hear the Jamaican accent in there. So that's why I asked her, how do you have a Nigerian
I
accent?
must say a joker. You thought she was a Nigerian.
No. She have a Nigerian accent. I mean, the one that say, well, this girl have Jamaican accent and Nigerian. So when I
That's
listen
what
properly,
Jamaica do. That's what Jamaica do.
Jesus.
listen to me. Oh, no, so not gonna call me troublemaker now.
When you are talented, you can do anything. Oh, I can do anything. Oh, when you're talented.
That's annoying, man. Bloody hell.
Hey, Kimmy, I open that glove for your knee and cause
You know, Kimmy, you know what? Stay as
Thank
far
you.
as possible from that Nigerian accent. Trust me.
Why is that so?
Trust me.
I worst nightmare that.
All right,
Madam,
tell them,
listen.
Kevin.
I think you know about the Jamaican woman too.
Original.
Exactly. What's so vulgar? That's what I'm saying. That's why I said don't say that.
No, man, she just a joke. She just a joke.
No, Nigerian accent is very vulgar.
No,
And I have no apology saying that.
She must have a reason why she said that.
If you listen, if you have a group of them and listen, then you will
Yeah,
know
man.
what I'm talking about.
I
worse that people in the come class.
I don't stop chat about no one black people like that, man. No tappy.
I don't care. I don't care.
No.
It's the truth. It's the truth.
They're not. Listen to me. Listen to me. No, me no another one day.
Hold on there. Me can't tell you something, yeah?
Marcia, give me a Jamaican tappy.
Thank you. That's all I want. I know that.
She don't come from Nigeria, she a Jamaican.
I know that.
So what you get miserable for?
Yeah, but why they come chat about people say they're the worst people? I don't like that.
Mr. Blank, were you there when my mother and my father was doing it all? Which one is Jamaican? Which one is that one? You were there.
You know, say now, when I went to the bank to work in Canada, one of the girls, there was a Nigerian came in and we were doing some business for them. And the manager wasn't there to sign the document. So I asked the assistant if she could sign it. And she said, no, she's not signing it. And I said, why? She said, because they're Nigerians. And I said, why would you say that? I said, are you telling me then I'm a Jamaican? Are all Jamaican ganja smokers? I said, are all white people child molesters? And she was shocked. I said, there you go. Don't stereotype people because you might have a bad experience with one person.
Over in England here, they tell the kids not to play with Jamaican kids because...
Okay,
yeah.
thank you, Kevin.
You don't have
Thank
to fall for that trip. You don't have to fall for it. I'm just saying. We have been put down.
We're not going to stop. We're not going to stop people.
Let's move off.
We're not going to stop, please.
Marcia, you married to a Nigerian where you get so offended?
What?
You married to a Nigerian? If you're married to a Nigerian.
Look here, my dear. No Nigerian don't want this amount here. Look here, no good. No Nigerian don't want this amount here. None of them. None of them. Because they not can handle with Jamaican woman. They don't want we because we turn them over.
But not gonna lie, to be honest, my friend that doesn't like the African, let me ask you, did the African hurt you all? What did the African do?
Who,
What
me?
did he do?
Me?
Yes, no.
Yo,
No. I have never. Listen to me.
We work amongst them, so
I
we
do.
know.
I do here.
never problem with this stuff.
Right now, I can tell you this. I have a Nigerian doctor that he was ministerial position in Canada. He moved back to Nigeria. Independent phone.
Okay, let's move on from.
And that's why I said that.
Let us move on. Let us move
Yeah,
on.
we're having fun before this all Nigerian thing come up.
Kimmy.
I'm not African. I'm a Jamaican by birth.
Kimmy.
What's up?
Just not all of them, because I work with some and may have good experience with some of them. But some of them are nasty. And they think a lot of them, more of them think like.
So you're happy there on one side. Is either you're Labour right or you're PNP?
But that is two parties. We have more than one in this case.
And that's what we are talking about.
I wish one of the other one. NDM?
No, it's a Cassie or talk here there.
Talk to me.
No, not you, Marcia. Marcia, see what Casco said.
Let me say.
Is either good or evil? Is either evil or good? Is either evil or good?
No.
Guys, may I tell you this? Yeah, we are support the party. Yeah, we are doing what we need to do. But let me tell you this. The whole away of the steer and these city for this money here. Because
me tell us you're not confident for our day. I'm with the
it's not confident. Listen. First of all, let me tell you this. The Bible tells us that death and life is in the power of the tongue. And sometimes you don't necessarily have to say something. You don't necessarily have to do something. You can just say it and the devil can run with it. Right? Man, I say we're not winning and not get me wrong. But guess what? We have to pray too. We have to pray too. We have to make sure we put in the work too. We have to make sure we do everything that is needed because and listen, I tap in on one live yesterday. Right? And I tap in on it, I go up on the live and I say power to the people. That's all I said. And everybody was like, yeah. And that was said too, and that them will do more power, whatever. So one lady in the box I say, she in the settings like this, what the people and them talk. So she say, if Andrew win, this is what she stated. If Andrew win, all me know say, me I go live on roadside because me can already not pay my bills and I need free government. So one other lady say, one lady will say, I go ask you a question and no keep me out of the box and no things say I vote me I vote for Labour, right? But tell me the truth where God love. Why would Andrew cause you if you lose your home? And I say, so why them country themselves in this sitting here? So me respond with a comment and say, yeah, I want to hear why that would have happened for true. Because even though I not vote for the man, I want to know. Is that them never go look on my profile, so them in there, and somebody say, oh, no, see, nothing now go on, everything hard, road, nothing now fix, this now do, that now do. And I can guarantee, say, the lady who in the box, we ask the woman if she going to lose her or she a Labour. You know why I say so? She said, lady, let me tell you no, me a PNP, me born PNP, me a die at PNP, but me go tell you no this. Me see all the political progress when speaking as a young person, I really want to hear what them have to say. So somebody said, know yourself, Kim, I'm having speech lock pattern ready. I said, but I want to hear it. So you give me a reason to vote because I be honest with you, I don't feel like I go vote. I don't feel like I vote. One lady said, no man, you have to vote, every vote count. And we have to win. So road can fix. This can do. Hospital can make up. The same woman at the back say, people look on St. Anne Hospital and not talk truth now. Look on Spanish Town. You know if we stop it still not because the man did work. We just what we are saying is because we not get money in our hand. And right out of the blank somebody said, oh, before I win my OBM backside. Remember that I that them up on the live yesterday when me tap in and I listen.
But listen, Kimmy.
So who go obey him?
Them.
Nobody
Kimmy,
can obey Andrew.
Kimmy.
You don't know see the video with the woman we gone viral.
Listen to me,
Nonsense them
Kimmy.
at all.
Hold on,
Nonsense.
Kimmy. You remember Portia? When Portia was running against Andrew and Wemsey, his master would tell him when to run the election. And when Portia called the election, Portia said, yes, my master said now is the time. And guess what happened to Portia?
Not what? Do I look like a loser?
Portia beat him, Andrew beat him until now. Portia don't know what in there. So this is what I'm saying. People can say all the crap what them want. They don't have no power.
And we can tell that you look for me, going on the live and sit down and listen to them and say things, right?
They can't use no Obi Andrew. None of that.
Hold on now, guys. Hold on. We have Mr. Siaga in the box. I go say good afternoon to you guys.
Good afternoon.
Go ahead, Mr. Siaga.
Labor rights from East, West, North, and South. Good afternoon.
Hello.
I'm from East. Hello. Talk now. Siaga, we want ear.
Reggae Prime Minister, go and talk, the man. The ladies that want you hear them, man.
And I may have called upon to make a speech about the election coming up for this 2025. I said the best thing that ever happened to Jamaica is Andrew Holiness, some Mark Golding can keep on writing him finger in the ground. So when him bite the bullet, him don't cry. And for all of those Jamaicans who think that labor right is about to lose, let them know that they are going to bite the bullet.
Something else.
So all you have to do is just prepare to put your dollars in the bank, labor right, and keep the jinglings in your pocket.
Right, that's all.
I saw him talk with you, you know. I swear I saw him talk with you.
I practice, man.
A long time I'm do it.
He can't do nothing, not a thing.
Not a thing they can do, Marcia. Nothing.
No, I'm not saying they can, you know. I'm not saying they can.
We are going to backfire upon them.
So tell them to Holiness that I said if it's Obia them want to use, tell them that we are from Westmoreland and don't make we have to go to Portland. They will never defeat that Obia man in Darliston. I remember that man.
I said, no sentence didn't come from. I want to go over here. Not too bad.
I am just sorry that Cap was not alive. If Cap was alive, then they would have found out on the day of election.
That is it.
So Prime Minister over here, I do hope you're working.
Oh my God, you guys are something else.
Thank you, Mr. Siaga. You can have your take a seat. Thank you very much.
Oh Lord.
This is the Reggae Prime Minister from Westmoreland.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Yeah, well.
So all the road them are fixed them from. See the road them from White House go straight to Darliston. The whole of them are fixed right now, you know. Look at them. I'll tell you something. When we better get some John and you can sit down at Westmoreland. Me say everything down here green. Me say everything down here green.
Wow.
Well, I hope so when time comes.
Well, the time has come.
Yes, sir, right there, sir. I swear the time has come right there, sir.
Yeah. I select, you guys don't remember Selector Jaja?
Yeah.
Selector Jaja introduced him to us.
Okay.
With us.
Frank, what kind of food you just purchased?
Oh,
heard you
me?
said something like chicken foot, innit?
Yeah, chicken foot soup.
Oh.
Yeah, well, my other
Can I
guy
have
was
some,
punching
please?
one green one for election.
And tomorrow the by election, where me walk one down there. And tomorrow it.
Look like him not in a him not
No, I
listen
never
to.
said that. I said I
Well, go
ordered
on.
a green wig for
No,
election.
somebody, a Richie got said something about Wagwan and Westmore, St. Thomas. A Richie got my action, so.
Green wig.
Well, Kimmy, my shoes just come.
Yeah, let's see.
No, I go step out in my green clothes, my green nails, my green toe, my green wig, my green suit, my nice green body, everything from the yeah.
My fingernail green and my toenail green. The ear where I see a plastic, so I'm gonna put in green. But my clothes are green and my shoe, my crop are green.
I'm gonna look for my grandmother Belle. Mm-hmm.
Who's gonna be doing it live?
Me go up at the hospital and get my blood changed, my blood green.
Backside. Oh, you do it. How much you pay for do it? How much you pay for do it?
You know have to pay for do it, man. Just-
What about
you
your
know have
eyes
to pay-
then?
You know have to pay for do it, man. Just get rid of the red and just put on the shower.
What about your eyes then?
Green contact lenses. What you talking about? Green contact lenses.
Even when me smoke weed, my eyes them green.
Listen, as a young, I saw a young person saying she don't know why is it take so long for this man. Tell me where am I gonna do? And so because of that, she know who she have worked with because she already heard a plan.
Yeah, man. Oh.
No, I understand the one that you
Giving out bells. Is that what you come to say?
Like telling you the last time said that the older folks are do this, and the younger people them are do this. Oh, and that was why the man campaign do him campaign. Him know the latest tune and him know the latest dance.
Reggae.
Yeah.
One female just type in the comments say if you big up Mr. Olis and Mr. Siaga voice again.
Yeah, so that's the top of the screen and send some hard to think.
Go on, man. Shall do that, man. I wanna feel ladies.
No problem, man. But, Mr. Siaga, you busy there, sir? You finish sip on your Mr. Siaga coffee green coffee. Okay. You got a second here, Mr. Siaga, please, sir. Thank you very much. To liberate, I heard you have a request from me, you know. What is it? They want you big up, man, Mr. Holiness in Mr. Holiness for them.
On Sunday, a conference too, you know, more a big up conference Sunday, the 81st conference. So them want Mr. Siaga big up that too.
81st annual conference.
Yeah.
Wow, that's 81. Lexi, I love it.
81 years.
Well,
That's nice, Lexi.
When I look for it, me I say everybody in the guy, I got in a green clocks, yeah, man.
Yes, green clocks too, you know. Let's
I like the
green.
contrast.
Fully green, my boy, and no white, not in it. Fully
No,
green.
man, I want to look away because I want to tie the two together, you know?
Let Mr. Siaga talk.
You see, to me, I already make sure I
Hold
say
on.
cover my son.
Reggae. Hold on, Kimmy. Reggae.
Yeah.
You drop signal look while, you know, so if you not talk, we don't hear nothing.
No, me never talk, me that watch the signal.
Okay. Go ahead now, Mr. Siaga. Floor is yours.
Mr. Siaga, yes, sir. And I mean, come to make a speech about Mr. Andrew Holiness, the Jamaican Prime
Yes,
Minister.
man. See, I like it.
Hey, when you tapping eyes, the man in the man attack. Go ahead, Mr. Reggae.
The only thing that you know is that when you throw a stone into the pig pen, you know, the one that ball is him get the hit. And I may have called upon to make a speech about the Prime Minister of Jamaica and His Excellence. I said that the best thing that ever happened to Jamaica is Andrew Holiness, and I said to Mr. Andrew Holiness, run things. And I will definitely see you at the 81st annual conference on that day. Yeah, man. Thank you, Mr. Siaga. Yeah, man. Go and have your coffee, man. Yeah, man. You go and have your coffee, Mr. Siaga. It's still green, though. Yeah, all right. No worries. Yeah. Ice water. The water green, you know. The water down at Westmoreland green. Everything turn green on Westmoreland right now. Yeah. Westmoreland turn green, everything.
Westmoreland green, Senti green, Trelawney green.
Remember, I said Westmoreland never used to so green. Remember, Westmoreland used to have a little blue because the ocean used to reflect in it, but now it's just fully green.
It's blue. It was blue-green before.
No. First, it had a little shade of blue. Reflection
Correct.
of the ocean.
And the undertone, but the undertone was always green. That's what I'm saying. On top of it, it looks blue, but below the surface, it was always green down there. So now that it all washed off, you're seeing the true color.
When people ask, what is Andrew going to do for them to vote for him? It's not what he's going to do, it's what he's doing. What he's going to do, that's another step. Look at what he's doing now. And if the country is not like upgrading to the fullness, like I see it, because maybe I'm the Stevie Wonder in this world, you know, of these people with 4 eyes, you know. So maybe what I see as
Sorry for cut
progress.
the plank.
One.
Today start off good and it boil down. Tell people say want some gift, you know.
Okay. Tell Marcia to do that for me. May I drive?
Marcia and I mix up in a bangarang.
Marcia, can I have some roses upstairs, up there, please?
Yes, I will.
Sparkle Diamond, can I have some roses up there, please?
Not in my cabinet.
What? Well, you're not. Yeah. Oh no, the flowers, not that rose I'm talking about.
All right, so
You know, you didn't say England and Canadian people mean I'm mad.
Let me, I've never figured out how to do it, but let me call somebody to help me figure it out.
No, I can't tell you how to do it right now, darling. You don't have to call nobody to figure it out. We are right here to help you.
I don't have any funds in the account. I've never put funds in it for whatever reason, but now I can do it. So
see it there, it's done.
What step do I need to go? That's why I said.
Do what you got to do.
Yeah, I'll come back on.
All right. I'll leave your spot open.
As usual.
Yeah, of course. Respect. All right, Mr. Reggae, go ahead.
See it there. It's all done now.
Reggae Prime Minister, your time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so I say even the water down are green right now. I want to say green, I mean the people them when it used to be die-hearted.
The other day when we were talking to you, you wasn't satisfied, but
yeah,
I can see that you're satisfied now.
We do my homework, man. We do a little traveling around and we do a little investigation and we ask questions and I'll sit down with die-hearted PNP and talk with them and them say, them all like, the boy where Luther was have a lucky and I don't know this is the man where them say one them have one kind of some mix up man out of that Dallas sign representing the PNP. But them say Danny Lawrence don't know if talk. The Daniel Lawrence know to start learn to talk. I'm to get advice as somebody that can advise him on the real thing.
1 minute. If we don't go a conference, where you found
politics.
But you said politics?
To the National Arena Sunday, November 24, 10 a.m. for the 81st Annual Conference of the Jamaica Labour Party. Come here, Prime Minister. Minister and party leader, Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, stand on a record of performance to deliver on the mission.
Conference. Who feel it eat?
Yo, you just a cut the man. You cut the man.
Me
Sorry,
feel
sorry.
it long time.
Me feel it.
My clothes
Sorry,
asleep
sorry.
beside of me until conference day.
Hey, Lexi, what on? Guys, hold on. You saw we, them paper them. Hold on, plan.
You get
Patricia Casamuda and Mike can resign today.
No, them not resign, but them not go back for re-election. They will not seek re-election.
But they not resign.
Where you say plank?
You get no sleep, baby?
Favor, me I call you, you push where you ask where you did I say plank. All right.
No politics, him say something, but I never hear him. Plank, what you say?
Me say if you get no sleep.
Oh, yeah, man.
Flower says she need a hat. Lexi.
Flowers, man, acting on me out of stock. Me did tell you know, buy them from early and see.
Yeah, man, a real thing.
Tell you no, buy some of them from early and see them now, man, I no stock.
And them bid look good for real, and I mean, I tell no lie.
Me I beat my black hat.
You don't have the picture of them, Lexi. Show them what them a miss. What them a go miss.
Well, Andy.
Don't show the suit yet, you know. Me alone know the suit looking up.
No, Blank, you not even know where me are coming now. So you know,
No worry yourself. No worry yourself.
Planka need the tent and him Ganzaga Mark Plank and him at my MP and council.
Me go under the red tent people over the bus park. So me go have on my shirt, Mark Plank, and me at Mark Plank.
Oh,
him alone in that kind of MP and council. Him not have nobody behind him.
No, we don't have nobody behind me, in front.
I want thing, you know, me love how Carla get mature and.
Hey, Rockstone.
Show a labor right. Show a labor right.
Them teeth my belly, but that shit na belly as a brother.
Get away, girl. All right.
Where you wear? You know there Jamaica, boy, you go wear. Your friend them are the Spanish country not like me again. Oh, you not send me no more rose. You have to send me no rose.
No answer.
A man send me a money gun this morning. For 500.
Carla, come on.
Desmond Mackenzie said, no Vuvuzela conference, come early and get your bells. And I'm glad for that.
Bells given away.
Yes.
Who want my bell?
Jesus.
You can ring my bell.
You look at me good enough. You're so short. You have to up for your height.
No,
my one, but I'm saying I can't get it for conference. I might get it for campaign.
Boom, Desmond Mackenzie said come early, call and you will get bells. What is wrong with you, girl? You didn't listen to him today. Go early, man.
Up here 1 o'clock and 12 o'clock them left down here, but me I go left them in that area. And I sing away for nobody for gonna conference about 12, 1 o'clock.
Conference them always wait till St. Mary and Portland come through, then them come behind them. When we go, we can't get in. We not even know. Mama D was rocking last night, and Aiden Tone was rocking.
Liberate. Guys. I got miss conference. I'm so sorry. It's not my fault. Can't help it. However, still have to make sure say I do what I need to do come election. Because my MP, good body, Juliet's wellness, stay good, set good, look good, everything good. That's doing East Rural and
I want a black hat, I want a green fully hat for with my crep. I'm a habit already.
No, hey. Me have green hats, me did have white hats, and me did have black.
Guys, there is this guy, I remember him TikTok name on TikTok. He make custom made labor right shirt, and best believe I'm trying to make one. Mine I go say labor right for life, one broke God.
My one I got my Warmington. Bro God.
Them done. The shirt.
Rose Hamilton.
Done.
Donovan Williams. Warmington.
But
Half of the
who in here make
t-shirt.
it?
You mad? Warmington
Who in
are the
here make custom
boss.
shirts?
Oh, the custom shirts, them where name?
Come on, another stitch.
With the fitted fashion in name.
Yeah, fitted fashion. I follow him.
I think I need to follow this dude because I need my shirt. Yeah, I need a shirt. I'm gonna miss conference, but I can't help it. As a mother, I have to work to feed my fitness. So yeah.
Rockstone.
Bill Landry.
Rockstone.
My name, not my gate number.
You did meet Mr. Siago up there?
Yes, man, I heard him the other day. Yeah, man.
Okay.
I have asthma too.
We don't want to
come with
ask, man.
something fresh. You need to
I like him ugly.
No,
But
not
guys-
looks, but him commentary from down in Manville time, he need to come with something fresh, you know?
When I realize who kind of quiet, we're kind of very suspicious why him quiet, because him chat so much. We have what name? The Monday. What name? The I don't want to say that word. The guy that goes the other way. Andrew, what's his name? The Monday when them mad out what day and him come back sensible and him mad again and sensible again. That's that one. A long time in the hear him. Him mad again.
Man, I walk to you. Him on every night.
No, listen. Let me tell you. You see this one? You see when this one don't work and this one dead? Because after this one, make sure say our house clean. I don't have time to listen to nonsense in my ears. I sit down and scroll TikTok and watch videos that make me laugh until I drop asleep. Now, I'm not going to listen to one partial madman. I want the NB over Bellevue. Just what the yeah. Literally over Bellevue. I must see you in Ward 21.
I spot back a man up by Maroon Town, them killing goat and sprinkling bread and drinking rum.
That can't help them.
That can't help them. That can't, because the older people that are praying for this man, that the prayer, them the prayer, they have no end.
You can't backfire upon them.
I don't say anything. Me not say anything.